In the beginning, God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb that yields seed." That's Genesis 1:11, and it reminds us of the beauty and potential in gardening. Now, how about a quote to lift our spirits? Gardening adds years to your life and life to your years. Hey there, garden lovers! Did you know you can grow vegetables upside down? That's right, it's a game changer for small spaces, reducing pests and saving your back from all that bending. Let's dive into the 17 surprising veggies you can grow upside down. First up, tomatoes. They're the poster child for upside down gardening. They're space-saving and thrive when they hang freely. Next, we've got peppers. They love the extra airflow and sunlight. Don't forget cucumbers. Their vines dangle beautifully and make harvesting a breeze. Zucchini and squash? Yes, they work too. Eggplant also loves the upside-down life, giving you plump fruits without the ground clutter. Strawberries are a sweet surprise. They flourish and are easier to pick when hanging. Beans and peas are naturals at this. Their vines stretch and grow vigorously. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, arugula, kale, and chard also adapt well. They get ample light and are less prone to pests. Root veggies, you ask? Radishes, turnips, and even carrots can be grown this way with some clever container choices. Now, some quick tips for success. Watering can be tricky, so make sure your containers have good drainage. Choose sturdy containers that can support the weight of your plants and soil. And of course, ensure they're getting plenty of sunlight. So why not give upside-down gardening a try? It's a fun, innovative way to make the most of your gardening space. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy planting!